waffle place. Say hi. Just ignores me. Mom and Dad are back. Oh my God. Agreed.
Look at Rae-Ann, she'll never go.
That's Jack. I got the salmon Benny.
He just stuck his finger in food.
It is now 6 o'clock and we're having dinner.
6 o'clock, we gotta pick Luna up.
Well, it's 5:47, so that was a bit aggressive. Luna, we dropped her off for a haircut. Look at our view.
Yeah, so pretty.
And my sangria. And Mom's sangria. Here's Dad with
Jackson.
his beer. Yep. No one can forget about Jackson. Now we're gonna have bruschetta.
Let's give him a little piece.
Made Jackson a plate.
You always say that to me.
Say hi to the camera. Can you wave? Good job.
Oh my goodness. That's enough, baby.
Yeah, it's really doughy.
Choo choo choo. Pre-dinner play.
Here's our breakfast.
Mine's munchy.
Walk in the pier. Or running for some. Such a beautiful day. Jackson, there's an airplane.
Wow. Look it.
Having the best British Airways.
Airplane. And now we're off
Munch, munch.
to go get Luna from her haircut.
Come on, Grandpa, push.
Oh, the airplane.
They're walking.
The next day.
Free people with the fish. Debating this top. And these jeans. We'll see.
I think it's the store is set up.
Got the goods.
Okay, go. Let's go.
Cranky baby's ready for some lunch and a nap. I feel like I just vlogged this and Dad was in the back and Mom was driving and we were leaving the mall.
It's a shit show.
It is. It's very busy. We're going to Second Beach.
Look at the beautiful views they would have up in that hill, eh?
I know, because you'd see the ocean.
Yeah, so pretty.
We went to Whole Foods.
Look
I
at,
found my green juice. What?
along that, those guys' patios. It's
I know,
all
it's green.
Yeah, that's awesome. That was fun.
Hey buddy, your first word is gonna be We're gonna have to do a haul when we get home. We never did a haul last time.
I didn't buy anything last time.
Your purse.
It was, what do you mean? Oh,
Last-
you mean last time I was here?
Yeah.
Oh.
She bought this purse.
What did I buy yesterday? I bought something yesterday, didn't I, John?
No, we were gonna buy those sweaters.
Oh, right.
We went to Nick's.
They have good prices. I'm very happy because they're always so damn expensive. It's ridiculous.
I know.
Just for a bra. Who wants to spend that much money on a bra?
Yeah, I didn't ask for boobs.
Neither did I.
Yeah,
Tried to get rid of them.
That's true.
Jackson.
Whole Foods haul. Snacks for Jackson. Well, it's all pretty much snacks you can eat. Delicious. Surprise, surprise. We're back in the Okanagan.
I know. I just gotta go make a call.
Okay, we won't follow them up. Let's make some coffee. I fell asleep with all my makeup on. It was such a last minute decision coming here, but I'm super glad we did because it's so nice. It's supposed to be like 40 degrees or 39 or something. Like, it's really hot, but they have the lake and they have AC in the house. So, it's not sirens in Vancouver, it's dogs barking here. Okay, quick drive with me. Let's see. Hold on. Gotta focus. Driving and vlogging. Anyways, okay. So I am in Vernon right now, and I'm currently going to go pick up my mother-in-law, and we're gonna go to Kelowna and get some vinyl and stuff from Michael's, and just come back home. But I left Jackson at home with my parents, and I went for a car wash, and then I just picked up Karen and I some Starbucks, and yeah, now I'm gonna go. Oh, well, first I have to go. Okay, now that I'm good, I am actually first. I hope you could hear me. If not, then none of this will be seen by the internet. Anyways, I'm firstly, okay, focus. This is where my brain has been all day. I am on my way to the post office to drop off some packages I need to ship out, and then that's why I don't vlog and drive. Pick up Karen, go to Kelowna real quick, then come home and enjoy the lake with my baby. He was napping and like just woke up when I left, so we never got to go in the lake yet, but I did, which was nice. When he was napping, I went for a little swim. So, oh my god, we're just gonna give up. I'm at Shoppers. Okay, bye. Are you gonna go for paddleboard? We're going paddleboard.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Come on, baby, let's go.
There you go.
Got our little tent set up. My shoe soaking wet. Jackson playing with the hose. Beautiful day. Off to a sip and shop in Lake Country at a winery. So it should be fun. Me and my mom and Karen are going. Dad is babysitting Smunchy Butt.
Yay! We're free!
Yeah, we get to go shopping without a baby.
Got all the stuff here ready for you?
Yep. I have it all laid out. Snacks,
Treats.
medicine.
I told them about the watermelon. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Let's grab our
Those are
stuff.
not mine. These are my cheap things. Maybe I'll just spare them. Hello, we are back in Vancouver. Look at all these shoes everywhere. Jackson, you have more shoes than Mom. Anyways, we are back in the city. I just poured myself a big cup of iced lemon water, and now we are getting ready to go get Nick. I wanted to show you guys what I got in the Okanagan at the winery, and I got these cute little daisy earrings, and I'm so obsessed with them. And then I'm just wearing my cropped little sweater from Urban Outfitters, and then my Aritzia jeans. And currently baby boy is a naked butt, but that's because it is so warm in our apartment that he just stays in his diaper. Luna is here. Luna. Oh, I don't know if you've seen her shaved yet, but she got a little hairdo. It keeps her very cool for the summer, and no mats. Ugh, good job. Okay, so basically we went to the Okanagan with my parents last Sunday because it was gonna be so hot here, and we only have an AC portable unit in our room, and it was like 94 degrees in here, which is 34 degrees Celsius. Woo, which is just very warm, too warm for everyone. So we went to my parents, played by the lake, had some family time, and yeah, did all that. And now we are back. And just hanging out. And yeah, it is already like, I don't even know where my phone is, but it's 6:30, almost 7. And we go get Nick around 8. And we're actually gonna order sushi for dinner tonight. We kind of always do a special dinner night when he comes home from work. So that's what we're doing. Also, Luca and Gray had a sale. Do you want up? And Gray, I don't know if you guys watch Aspen and Parker, but they have an online clothing store, and they actually had a 40% off sale today. And it was my first time ordering from their site. And I got some really cute stuff. I only got 3 pieces, but one's a set. So it kind of works out as like 2 individual pieces. Be gentle. Sit on your bum. So I got a set. It's a white like fuzzy set. I also got a sweater. It's a checkered pink and cream sweater. I also got a little sundress. It's so freaking cute. It's like pink floral, which is very odd for me because I don't typically wear that much color. I'm very much a neutral. Jackson. I'm very much a neutral gal. So I'm trying to actually breach out and wear some color and just like start upping my fashion game, since I feel like it's lacking a little bit. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go through my closet this weekend while I have some extra help around the house and get rid of some stuff and sell some stuff. So maybe I'll put that up on my Instagram. Kind of sucks to ship though. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go through. There's a plane! I'm gonna go through that, get rid of some stuff, sell some stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Jackson's been super into planes, so we're gonna go watch some planes at the airport. Although he can just watch them from his bedroom, but it might be cooler up close. So yeah, that's kind of a life update. Hey, can you say hi? Say hi. Hi, Black. You do peace out? Yeah, that's his little peace out. So that's my life update so far. Just a busy, noisy baby. Okay, let's get ready. I'm gonna get him ready, and we're gonna go outside, take Luna for a walk, and then go get Dada. Yeah. Okay. We'll talk to you in a bit. Do you want to carry Luna? There you go. I have to go get Dad, and he is gonna take Luna, his water bottle, and apparently his keys as well. Oh, we found these. My mom found these in Walmart at in Vernon. Are you kidding me? They're little slides and they're Spider-Man. Jackson picked them out. Oops. So cute. So those are his new little lake slides. This kid has so many shoes. But anyways, I'm ready. I'm gonna order the sushi once we get to the airport, because it'll be perfect timing to pick up. And the house is still literally a disaster, but I don't know. It'll get done eventually. Let's go to the airport. Made it to the car in one go, which is pretty impressive. Got Luna, got the babes. It's 26.5, but it doesn't feel that warm. And it's supposed to cool down right to like, what did it say? 15 or 11 or something? I don't know. So we're gonna be in the AC car anyways, and then in the airport where it's also chilly. So that's why Jackson's in pants, and that's why I'm wearing a sweater. And yeah, that's where we're at. Let's go.
Again.
That you're home.
I'm home.
Yay.
Yay.
And it's sushi night. Right, Jackson? What, baby? He's ready for sushi. I'm ready for sushi. Nick's ready for sushi. Let's do this.
Where's your head?
Oh, wow. I look crazy. And our kitchen is a little crazy. Look at what Nick's making. Hey, where'd the salsa go?
It's in the fridge.
Oh. Chopping up some cauliflower. He's making these cauliflower coconut tacos. Here's babies with some pineapple salsa, which looks delicious. Close the door. Thank you. And I am just cleaning up my area. Got some orders. Brought this mirror out here, and I put my yoga mat and all my workout stuff there. So yeah, it's my little workout area, and then Jackson is playing area. Yep. And that's where we're at today. Dinner is served. Here's Jackson's deconstructed version of the taco. Here's my plate that Nick did up for me. And his plate. It looks so good. You did a good job.
Thank you.
I'm ready to eat it. And hopefully watch the new Jurassic Park. Good morning. I literally just woke up. Maybe like 10 minutes ago, because I did get myself coffee. But it is 7:11. And look at the morning light coming in. Ugh, love that. It is so pretty when it's sunny in here with all these windows. Anyways, I am just editing a video. I got my laptop, all the things. Here's Luna, she's joined me. Got my coffee in my boob cup. Oh, got a text. I can't believe it's Wednesday already. We have an air show tomorrow that I was invited to. My parents are coming back for that. And then we're going down to the Okanagan again. And we have a wedding for our two friends, Jordy and Brianna. So that's going to be so much fun. I'm so happy and excited for them. And yeah, I just can't wait. It's going to be so much fun to see everyone again and all the things. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm going to keep editing this vlog, get it up, and pick this up later. He's pretty cool, huh?
road again. Everyone is here. We might go to Harrison Hot Springs for lunch, or just go into Hope for lunch, and then be back on the road to the Okanagan. We have our friends Jordy and Brianna's wedding this weekend that we're so excited for, and it's supposed to be really nice again in the Okanagan this weekend, so that'll be fun. We can spend some time by the lake. The air show was so much fun last night. It was really cool. It's just insane what they can do with airplanes. I would never, but it put my faith in airplanes again. Like, it can do all that stuff and you still don't crash. So yeah, that's what we did. It was really fun. Thank you to the Abbey Air Show again for hosting us there. It was super, super nice. Jackson had fun. He loves airplanes. Luna had to stay home, but she gets to come with us to the Okanagan. How did you enjoy the show?
It was fun.
Excellent. We all had a great time. And yeah. Oh man.
She was sentenced to life.
Made it. We are here at Harrison Hot Springs. Parked, bought some parking. Now we're going for a little walk. Find some lunch. Aren't we? Dad and Luna are back there. We are gonna go to Muddy Waters Cafe. Should be yummy. Okay, let's go back this way. Let's go to the lake. Come on. Look how beautiful it is. The mountains. It is so pretty here. It's the cutest place literally ever. I'm so obsessed with it. Can we move to Harrison Hot Springs?
Huh?
Can we move here?
Sure.
Why are you sitting? So we're home. My phone's still because I haven't charged my camera battery yet. I just found the charger again, so we're home. It is now 3:22. I just went down. I hope you can hear me. The door is open and I'm trying to be quiet because Jackson is napping again. But we got home around 11 this morning. Then we quickly got Nick to the airport to go to work. That part sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Anyways, I just went down and got our groceries delivered just because it's way easier. That's literally it. I do it for the convenience. Instacart for the win. So I'm gonna take those out, put those away, my camera battery, and get this all situated and start editing. I'm really bending over here. And yeah, hopefully tonight goes smooth because Jackson's had like 3 naps today, but it was a very different morning day routine for him, so that makes sense. And yeah, I will pick this up in a little bit.